हेलो एवरीबडी, सब आ गए? वेरी नाइस, टाइम से पहले आ गए. हाँ, थैंक्स भैया, थैंक यू. ओके, सो आई होप एवरीबडी हियर इज कंफर्टेबल एंड रिलैक्स्ड. हाँ, आलोक भाई, हाउ आर यू? केम छो? हाँ, जय श्री कृष्ण टू यू टू. एंड करिश्मा बहन, हाउ आर यू? ऑल गुड? JSK टू यू टू. आपने कुछ लिया? कुछ टी, कॉफी, कोल्ड ड्रिंक? अरे प्रमोद भाई, अरे उनको कोल्ड ड्रिंक दो ने. लुक हाउ हॉट शी इज लुकिंग. कहाँ गया प्रमोद भाई? ओ प्रमोद भाई, कोल्ड ड्रिंक दो उनको. लुक हाउ हॉट शी इज लुकिंग. हाँ, लुकिंग हॉट. यू गॉट माई जोक? हॉट. हाँ, नाइस नाइस. Okay, everybody, so now that you all are here, I'm very happy. I hope you all have been treated nicely. You're feeling relaxed and comfortable. I think my arrangements were very good and tip top. किसी को यहाँ पे आने में प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हुई ना? Like address ठीक ठाक दे दिया ना मैंने? क्या होता है ना, मेरा जो अरेंजमेंट होता है, it's always tip top. I never fault. अरे उनको कोई माइक दो ने. He wants to praise me. क्या हुआ भाई साहब? माइक सामने पकड़ो.
आधे घंटे से बोल रहा है कोई. आधे घंटे से यार हम गाड़ी की वेट कर रहे हैं. आपने कोई क्या अरेंजमेंट आपका टिप टॉप? आपको ध्यान देना चाहिए ना. मेरे को 2 एंगेजमेंट में और जाना है. सिर्फ एक ही काम थोड़ी है मेरे को.
तुमको पैसे मिलते हैं क्या एंगेजमेंट में जाने के लिए? हाँ. But what is this, your complaint? This is not good. I mean, my arrangements are always good. But let me tell you all that I was not responsible for this. This one little thing I told Imtiaz Bhai to take care of. Seems like he is not managed. So Imtiaz Bhai, where are you? If you could please come here and address this, making me look bad over here. Yeah, all girls are all big fans of you. But I'm not a huge fan of you right now. Huh? One small direction I gave you, you could not follow.
What is the problem? You're looking so hot.
Yeah, but...
I must say.
Thanks. But what is this? Why is this man complaining over here?
He's complaining?
Yes.
About what?
Seems like you've not taken care of this valet parking and all of that.
So how can I take care of parking? I was busy editing, ne?
Editing?
Yeah.
Oh. You also work for paper like them?
What do you mean?
You said no, editing. A lot of them are also editors
I'm
of
not
your
a
paper.
press editor. I'm not a press. I was editing the film.
Oh, our film.
Yes.
Jab Harry met Sejal.
Exactly.
Oh, acha. So tell me one thing. Why didn't you edit your other films?
What do you mean?
I mean, they were a little long, ne? Like, so right now I would say you stop making all these excuses and please answer this question. One small thing I told you to do.
Arey, Sejal Ben, everything is okay. Please don't panic.
And how not to panic? There's so much that I have to do, so many tayaris that I need to take care of. And what have you worn and come? What is this outfit? I told you to wear a proper suit, ne?
So, this is a suit, ne?
But what is this combination? Who wears this combination? Looking like a
Listen,
schoolboy.
Do you think you have to talk about my schoolboyishness right now? The press is waiting. Press is waiting.
Oh.
Please carry on with your engagement.
Sorry, and I also know that if you make the press wait, sometimes they write bad things about your films. So, you guys must not wait. Yeah. And, okay, everyone. So, without further ado, let me tell you all why you all are here. For many days now, we've been seeing this ring, and this chakkar has been going on. I want to put it to an end today. So, in front of all of you all, Alok Bhai, Karisma Ben, we are going to do my engagement function, okay? I am going to wear my ring, which has been given to me by my lovely fiancé, huh? And I'm going to take a nice photo. Where will we take it? Should we take it there, Imtiaz Bhai?
Yeah,
we'll take it there. I'll take a nice selfie over there, huh? And I'm going to do FaceTime chat with him. How does that sound to everybody? You are not looking very excited about my engagement, guys. Thank you. Okay, so ring do ne?
Ring मेरे पास नहीं है, Sejal. I gave it to you.
अरे, but I gave to you. Check in your pocket.
You check in your pockets. I gave the ring to you,
Sejal. I'm
Sejal.
fashionably dressed. I don't have pockets.
Arey, so what can I do? I gave the ring to you.
But I don't have it.
Arey, but when you were leaving for Europe, I gave you the ring, no?
So what are you saying that I don't have my ring right now? Matlab I've lost it again.
Arey, my God, yeah, you've called people for your engagement. You've lost the ring again.
I don't want to cut a sorry figure. This is very embarrassing. Sorry everybody, but we will just sort it out.
Acha, listen. Remember when you went to Europe, you had a tour guide? You
Harry.
said he was very bharose wala admi and all that.
He's good at his job.
Yeah. So then why don't you call him and ask him? Maybe he knows where the ring is.
No.
Why?
अरे you know ने
Why? What?
अरे उसका कैरेक्टर खराब है ने
Character खराब है उसका?
अरे मतलब वो चीप है ने चीप
Cheap है? Oh. But then abhi what to do now? You have to only take his help ne?
That is true. So what do we do?
You call him.
Should we call him?
Yeah, let me call him.
Okay, चलो you call him then.
I'm calling him, huh? You
Okay,
better
call him.
not fight with him this time.
No, I will not fight with him. Obviously, I
Yeah,
need
we
my
want
ring.
the ring for the engagement.
Yeah, okay. Call
I'm
him.
calling him.
Okay, call him.
Okay, someone call him.
It's part of my arrangements. I don't know why I'm shocked. Oh! Why is Harry's ring like dawn?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Is it this Sejal again?
Hi,
No.
Harry.
Not Harry. It's Harry.
हाँ तो वही तो बोला मैंने Harry.
Yeah, no, Harry.
अरे बोले ना उसको Harry तो बोला
You
मैंने.
ask him about the ring.
Oh,
ne?
sorry. Harry, listen. I need your help now. I've lost my engagement ring.
I am really sorry. I can't help you with this engagement ring of yours. I'm on my time off. अभी मेरा टाइम ने तो मैं आपका हेल्प नहीं कर सकता हूँ प्लीज.
How he's saying? Of course you have to help me. Ne? You've only taken us to all these European places. Now that's where I lost my ring. So please help me, Harry.
मैं क्या हेल्प करूँ? By the way, engagement हो रही है आपकी. It's very good news ने. So all the best ne, but I cannot help you. I'm sorry. I have to do my thing. Bye.
You beg him. Just somehow get the ring.
Arey, Harry, listen. Normally I will not ask you for this, but then you do happen to be the best tour guide there, and you have taken us all around it. So please help us. I mean, help me. Give me the ring.
Acha. Let me think something.
Yeah,
Oh
think
yes.
about all the places you went to with me.
याद है हर जगह जहाँ हम जा रहे थे तो आपकी फैमिली जो थी वीडियो बना रही थी इस सब का.
Yes,
आपकी
we had to
पूरी
put on Facebook.
on Facebook yeah. So maybe अगर आपके पास वो वीडियो हो वो आप प्ले करें तो उसमें शायद आपको मालूम पड़ जाए आपकी रिंग कहाँ है. Maybe.
That's a very good idea. Harry, first time you've come up with one good idea, eh? Good job.
And
Well done.
Harry, ma'am. Harry, not Harry. Harry is the guy standing next to you with long hair.
This one's doing really good today. Great joke also he cracked.
Very good. Very jokey nature.
Okay, chalo. Then show the video to me of my family. हाँ, चलो दिखाओ. Let
मेरे
me
पास
find it.
आपका वीडियो फैमिली का कैसे होगा? आपका फैमिली का वीडियो तो आपके पास होगा ना, मेरे पास थोड़ा ना होगा यहाँ पे.
हाँ, that is a good point. Okay.
So show ne?
हाँ तो you show ने one thing तो you already messed up. Now can you do this one thing
So
properly?
this is what I was editing ne? That's what I was telling you.
Oh.
Should I go
हाँ, तो
ahead?
पहले बोलना चाहिए था ना आते साथ. You also.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the much-awaited video of what happened when जब Harry met
Oh,
Sejal.
hold on. Makeup ठीक है मेरा उसमें?
मेकअप तो देखा नहीं ना मैंने मैम.
क्यों?
मैं परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड डायरेक्टर हूँ ना, फैशन का डायरेक्टर थोड़ी हूँ मैं.
हाँ तो आप तो लग भी रहे हो जैसे फैशन से रिलेटेड कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते तो आप रहने दो वैसे.
अरे अभी
इम्तियाज भाई
देखते हैं. Yes sir, Harry is saying something.
हाँ, he's saying bye. Yeah, I did. I mean, I think if you're working with a director like Imtiaz on a character that you've not attempted before, or a accent, or just basically however Sejal is, if you haven't done something like that before, then it gets very exciting and you feel actually kind of thrilled and confident कि ये मतलब if you follow his directions properly, then it will come out good, because he has a lot of conviction as a director about his characters. And then my level of comfort that I share with Shah Rukh as a co-actor is something that gives me a lot of I guess that sense of calm, to be able to attempt something like this, because I was a little skeptical in the beginning. Like I used to keep telling him also, but I mean, if I'll be able to pull it off or not. Yeah, but then I'm happy that people are liking it, and they're liking Sejal, and it's credit goes to Imtiaz Ali.
अनुष्का, इसमें जो लाइनर है कि जिसकी खोज में आप हैं वो भी आपकी तलाश करता है, इससे कितना इत्तेफाक रखती हैं असल ज़िंदगी में?
मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा. जब मैं अभी थोड़ी मैं फिलोसॉफिकल हो जाऊंगी, लेकिन जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैंने एक जगह पे पढ़ा था दैट व्हेन द स्टूडेंट इज़ रेडी द टीचर अपीयर्स. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ एक्सटेंशन ऑफ दैट. और ये रूमी की क्या बनी कहावत क्या कहेंगे, कहावत है है. And I'm a huge fan of Rumi, have always been. And I must tell you that the way I was introduced to him was actually through your films. That I started reading up on him क्योंकि मेरे को जिज्ञासा है philosophy में. And I totally believe in that. I feel in fact आप जो सोचते हैं, जो आप चाहते हैं, वो ही आपको मिलता है, वो ही रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. होता है ना कभी कभी जो मूड खराब होता है, ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा इरिटेट करने लग जाता है, लोग ज़्यादा इरिटेटिंग लगने लग जाते हैं क्योंकि आप अंदर से कुड़े हुए रहते हो. So I तो कुड़े हुए, such a great word, ना? So I totally believe in this, and I think this is a beauty of इम्तियाज़'s films. You know, they have that एक.
आज ये बहुत तारीफ कर रही है मेरी.
नहीं सर, आपको मतलब
मैं ऐसे पैसे वैसे नहीं देने वाला हूँ.
दोगे?
नहीं दूंगा.
As long as Shahrukh gives, it's fine. As the producer of this film. But yeah, so I do believe that इनकी कहानियों में जो है कि एक ये होती है कि philosophy होती है जिसके ऊपर एक पूरी कहानी बनी होती है. Life भी वैसी होती है, and I think that's why you connect to it so much more, and that's why I've been such an ardent fan of his movies.
Shahrukh sir, what do you have to say about this new philosophical side of Anushka Sharma?
सर ये इतनी डीप है, मुझे पता नहीं था सर. मुझे तो लगा आती हैं अपनी लाइनें लर्न करती हैं, बोलती हैं, काम चलाओ सी एक्ट्रेस है. लेकिन अब क्या है, इतनी इन डेप्थ बातें करने लगी हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ असर आपका हुआ होगा सर, या मेरा हुआ होगा. I'm noticing.
I'm not seeing that in front of me. When both of you are standing over there, I can't be deep because I'm feeling very shallow. So I'm not being deep. Alok is very deep. Like he's a deep philosophical person. So it's coming out talking to him. By the way, I must tell you all this. Man has convinced me that he's Mohit Chauhan for a very long time, and he's spoken to me for 2 minutes, posing to me because I thought he's Mohit Chauhan. So I started talking to him as like, you know, rock star का music मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा और आपने कितना अच्छा गाया and all. And he's also listening to me for 2 minutes. बाद में बोलता है मैं मोहित चौहान नहीं हूँ. ऐसे तो पहले क्यों नहीं बोला यार? आपका फिल्म का कनेक्शन वापस.
यही फिलोसॉफिकल बात है अनुष्का की. देखो आरजे आलोक को मोहित चौहान बना दिया. ऐसी हरकतों से ही. बट आई नोटिस अनुष्का, तुम जब से मेरे से बार-बार फिल्म में कर रही हो ना, तुम डीपर पर्सन और मोर इंटेलिजेंट और स्मार्ट होती जा रही हो.
For sure.
Okay, Anushka, here on your left. So you know, Shah Rukh sir has said that there have been scripts which Imtiaz Ali went to him, not offered him, but then he read his scripts to him. And he chose this because this is his happiest film till date. Has there ever been an offer from Imtiaz which you didn't do because it wasn't as happy? And why did you choose to do Jab Harry Met Sejal?
मैंने कुछ नहीं
मालूम है.
Ambush.
सब मालूम है.
What kind of an ambush is this, boys? ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ है. That has never happened. The first film he offered me, I said yes to it, which was Jab Harry Met Sejal.
Okay,
Imtiaz sir.
Why are they saying you're lying? What is this? You are philosophical and a liar.
But what is it about Jab Harry Met Sejal which, you know, drew you instantly to the script?
Yeah, I mean, it really has to be something that you can connect with. No, I mean, I have wanted to work with Imtiaz for the longest time. In fact, I mean, if at all I ever had the thought that maybe acting karna chahiye was in a rickety old theatre in Bikaner where I was watching Jab We Met with my parents. जहाँ पे वो जैसे बीच में aisles है ना, वहाँ पे वो चेयर लगा दिया करते थे प्लास्टिक की जब ज़्यादा लोग बढ़ जाते थे. And used to sit over there and watch the film. So I was watching Jab We Met there, and I saw this film, and I was like, "Wow, this is amazing! This is something that."
No, not yet.
Huh? What was that? Suddenly saw myself. This is something that I would like
Not
to.
yet.
Who's this saying not yet, not yet? Oh, that I would like to. I would like to be part of movies when I saw the character of Geet. So I think maybe it was because of the portrayal of that character and the depth that that you could see. ये कौन है इंसान बीच बीच में जो बोल रहा है? Is this my inner voice? That's like suddenly loud and coming out since my philosophical side has come out today on this.
We are doing promotions of बीच बीच में.
बीच में कोई बात कर रहा है.
बीच बीच में बात कर रहा है उसीलिए.
Yeah, so I think it is something that I've always wanted to do with Imtiaz, a film that I've always wanted to do with him. But this just seemed like the film with which I would really enjoy, have a great time collaborating with him. And so this is the one. And in any case, since I'm so philosophical, जो होना होता है सो होता है. जिसको जो पिक्चर करनी होती है वो उसकी तकदीर में होती है. और ये पिक्चर मेरी तकदीर में थी तो मैंने करी. और हमारा इस पिक्चर में साथ काम करना निश्चय था तो हुआ है, बस सब ऊपर वाले की कृपा है, वो ही है, उसी की उसके हाथों में हम सबकी डोर है, हम तो बस चल रहे हैं जहाँ वो हमको लेके जा रहा है। हम तो सब कठपुतलियाँ हैं, बस उसकी लीला की।
अनुष्का, आपसे सवाल है कि जब पहली बार आप शाहरुख से मिली थी, तो फर्स्ट आपका जब मतलब अनुष्का मेट शाहरुख, तो क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा था?
ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि वो मेरी पहली फिल्म थी और मैं उनको अपनी शूटिंग, जो मेरी पिक्चर की जो शूटिंग थी उसके पहले दिन पे मैं उनको मिली थी और सेट पे ही मिली थी। सो आई नेवर मेट हिम बिफोर एंड ऑब्वियसली आई न्यू हिम एज the superstar Shah Rukh Khan, and now I'm going to be, doing a film with him and a romantic film at that. So I was very nervous, obviously. I was nervous and मेरी पहली film थी और बहुत कुछ चल रहा था दिमाग में. And I met him and actually he was just very, very nice and he congratulated me for, doing the film. And उसके बाद he was just really chilled out and I felt very comfortable in his presence. He was not intimidating. Which I think I realized much later what a huge support he had been, in my first film, because he really did make everything very easy for me as a newcomer without making it obvious. Jataye bina he was, making things easy for me, and I thought that was very, very nice of him. Until date, whenever I've worked with actors who perhaps, doing their first film and even in an ad when you work with somebody, I always want to pay back and be as helpful as I possibly can because of the way Shah Rukh was to me. So I feel like I find the need to do that because I know what a huge help it was for me. And yeah, so it's always beautiful and I'm always grateful whenever I'm working with him. And yeah, Imtiaz, would also tell you that even now, like even if his, he's had this knee issue and injury and it'll be hurting. And if Imtiaz will say something, sir, मैं ये सोच रहा था, तो he'll just suddenly spring up and be like, हाँ हम ऐसे करते हैं. I think even I can't think of showing that kind of, that kind of enthusiasm the way he continues to do. So you have to respect somebody at that level, at that stature, to have that kind of commitment for every day, on shoot. It's commendable.
Hi, Anushka. Anushka, to your right.
If you can stand, it will be very easy for all of us.
Yes,
Okay.
thank
Hi,
you.
Thank you,
Anushka.
ma'am.
Priyanka here.
Hi.
Anushka, before Imtiaz, you work with, Yash Chopra and Aditya Chopra in 2 different romantic films. And both of them have different ideas of romance. How was it to work under Imtiaz's setup of romance with Shah Rukh? How different was it?
I mean, yes, I have had the good fortune of working with Yash ji and having done a film with him and Adi, with Shah Rukh itself. So firstly, I'm very grateful for that opportunity. I think for me, what makes Imtiaz so special and his love stories and his characters so memorable is that, when you watch his films, you feel ki you're watching his movies and then you see moments in the film or you see how certain things are panning out and you feel like, yaar, aisa hota hai. In love, these things happen, but ye kabhi humne filmon mein dekha nahi hota hai. But we see it fresh, new, something which is very relevant, which happens in a relationship, but we don't see that on screen, and we see that in Imtiaz's film. तो जो वो बारीकी से वो समझते हैं ना love को, this relationship between man and woman, I think which is something that is unparalleled, his understanding of it. And you can relate to it when you watch films, and that's why I think you feel so, मतलब दिल से you feel for his kahanis, at least I do. So I think that's what makes him special.
Hi Anushka. Hello. Hi Anushka, आपके सामने.
What will you give? Show me how much money you have. You will not be able to.
Anushka, आपके सामने.
Literally 20 रुपए. I'm not exaggerating. That also for auto because because you.
I'll give you I'll write a check.
Thanks.
I'll
sir.
write a check.
हाँ, okay. Thank you, sir.
Hi Anushka.
Blank देना.
अनुष्का आपके सामने. अनुष्का, क्या कोई बॉलीवुड का ऐसा एक्टर है जिसकी हरकतें देख के आपको लगा हो कि कितनी चीप हरकतें हैं, जिनके साथ आपने काम किया हो या आपने मन में सोचा हो इन अ फनी वे?
हाय अनुष्का, सोनिका है. एक्चुअली वांट टू आस्क कि ये मूवी जो है हैरी और सेजल की मुलाकात के ऊपर.
Are you also Guju?
No.
The Guju fever is catching on.
No. तो हैरी एंड सेजल की मुलाकात के ऊपर है। तो अनुष्का की लाइफ में कोई ऐसी मुलाकात जो यू रिमेंबर स्टिल, अनुष्का मेट समवन, लाइक ऐसी कोई मुलाकात के बारे में?
मतलब बड़ा ओरिजिनल सा क्वेश्चन है आपका, वैसे तो मानना पड़ेगा, मतलब इट्स जस्ट केम आउट ऑफ नोवेयर एंड सो ओरिजिनल। ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन आई मेट इम्तियाज, it was a great moment when I met Imtiaz, and I felt so good when Alok impersonated Mohit Chauhan. Such amazing meetings we keep having with people all around. Yeah, I've had many moments. Imtiaz, when I met Imtiaz. He was just there. What was the person? Yeah, it was actually yeah, so when I met, you know, such meetings वो आपके दिमाग में रहते हैं, आप बोल नहीं पाते, आप ज़हन नहीं कर सकते, जैसे उन्होंने अभी बोला ना.
She was like mute.
I was like, Imtiaz, just shocked, you know. Yeah. I think expectations लोगों की होती हैं और हमारी भी खुद से होती हैं. But I think there's no need to get caught up in that. You can only do what you have to do well. And I think for me, I expect the most out of myself when I actually can do something about it, which is when I have to choose a script, I have to prep for a role, I have to perform, I have to execute that preparation, and you know, shooting के समय पे उतना मेरे हाथ में होता है. Other than that, you know, you can't kind of really get too caught up or worked up about things because it's not under your control. So that's the, you know, feeling that I have, and I think we've all worked really hard on this film, and I'm very happy with the film. So now you just like leave it out there and, you know, wait for people to you know, react to it and think, you know, and come up with things they like about the film. Like what he said, if we are here today, it's because, I mean, we are here today and we've reached where we are being within the same industry. I have personally, I would say, been launched by a banner like Yash Raj Films, who have always, I mean, you know, and with me, with Ranveer Singh, they've always put talent before anything else, you know. I mean, I don't even think this was something that I even thought of, quite honestly speaking, when I entered the industry. But at the same time, I think सबके experiences अलग होते हैं, and we all have to respect and value that. Yeah, that's it. I mean, same industry में different people can be treated differently, and that has to be respected and valued.
In the film, you are desperately.
Sir, can you hear us?
Can you on behalf of you apologize to everyone? Sorry, this connection हमारा कुछ खराब हो गया.
एक second, sir. I'll ask if somebody wants to ask you a question and get the answer like this. Anybody wants to ask him something? Last chance.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. In the
Sir, we are asking somebody's asking a question. I'll repeat it for you.
Yeah.
Oh, he's back. Oh, great. Okay. He is asking, रणवीर के 5,000 के चेक का क्या स्टेटस है?
मैंने उनको वो चेक दे दिया है.
Obviously, guys, Gujarati was involved. We keep our dealings very, very clear.
Anushka, in the movie, you are desperately hunting for your ring, but real life में कोई ऐसी चीज जो आपकी खो गई हो, and you were like searching for it for a long time.
Listen, I'm sorry to cut this. We can
I
come
feel like
back
my mummy
to
is
it.
asking me this question.
The point is that while Shahrukh sir is here, I think before he goes away, please ask questions that you want.
Yeah, it's for both of them. For both of them.
No, they don't need to ask. Yeah, you guys have fun. I can just listen in.
Okay, I think we are going to wrap up, but before we wrap up, Shahrukh sir is going to speak few words to us. Okay. Shahrukh sir, you're on mic.
Yes.
So we have connected 3 mics so that the whole of Mumbai city can hear your voice. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. थोड़ा सा हमारा ये technical glitch हो गया. So I really wanted to participate, but I've been listening to everything. Of course, you could not hear me out. I could hear it on various other channels. But thank you for being here. और सवाल आपने पूछे उसका जवाब होपफुली सेजल और इम्तियाज ने अच्छी तरह दे दिया होगा. But as soon as I back, मैं फिर आप लोगों से मुखातिब होऊंगा. And I hope you enjoyed the trailer and thank you very much all of you for being here.
Okay, sir. We heard that. There.
मनोज सिंह सोलो फोटो दे दो.
करके भेज रहा हूँ. मैं सबके लिए अलग अलग पोस्ट में सेल्फीज करके भेज रहा हूँ प्रेस के लिए और एक हाथी भी सेल्फी भेज रहा हूँ.
Okay, good.
And that's a wrap.
Thank you,
And
sir.
before we say goodbye, Shahrukh sir, we would like if you wave at us over here down in Mumbai. Khan, and that is a wrap. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you guys have a great evening. Drive safe. Thank you so much. My name is RJ Syed, and it is a wrap.